Today I'm going to show you how to steam one of the most popular alternative milks there is, almond milk. I'll show you how to steam it so that it gets a silky texture and tastes awesome. First, you need to start with a barista alternative milk like MILKLAB because these barista milks have been designed to texture just like dairy. Always start with a cold almond milk so that you have a longer time to texture. The longer you can texture, the silkier the milk will be. Also, always remember to give your almond milk a good shake. This will integrate all the ingredients to make sure you get the best results. Then when you're filling up your jug, you want to do it to just below the lip here. That's going to make sure that you get the best vortex when you're texturing. Now before you start steaming, you always want to purge your steam wand. This will remove any excess water that's built up inside the wand. If you don't do this, you're gonna ruin your milk before you've even started. Then you wanna pull out your steam wand towards you and you wanna run it down the lip of the jug. You want your steam wand placed between the center and the wall of your jug, with the tip just below the surface. Turn on your steam wand and you want the tip just at the surface so that it lets in little rips of air like this. This is what it should sound like. For almond milk, you want to do this for around 3 to 5 seconds, maybe just a touch longer than you would with dairy. This is going to create a great foam that's amazing for latte art. Then for the second stage, lower your wand deeper into the milk and you want to create a nice vortex like this. This is texturing. The longer you texture, the silkier the milk is gonna get. You don't want to be letting in any more air at this stage of the process. Now for almond milk, I found that it has the best texture and taste at around 60 degrees Celsius. After 65 degrees, it starts to get a little watered down and you lose that amazing mouthfeel. Now when you're steaming, never be shy to use a thermometer when you're checking the temperature. A lot of baristas like to do it just by hand and they think it's cool, but using a thermometer is gonna give you a better consistency and better result. Then remember at the end to always give it a purge. This is going to remove any excess milk that might be left in the wand. Then before you pour, make sure to give your jug a swirl. This is going to make sure that the microfoam in the milk are homogeneous and it's going to create a really great texture when you pour it into your coffee. And that is how you steam perfect almond milk. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more alternative milk tips and tricks and check out our full series of barista basics that we've done with MILKLAB. Coffee up.